Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am unraveling the braid, so my hair is stretched and I'm starting to do the hairstyle. So I just twist my hair like this because I'm really bored. Not bored, but I'm really lazy to do a voiceover. But I twist my hair like this and then I roll it around my around like the hair itself, like so. Uh, then I take my little scrunchie, colorful scrunchie, and then I tie it up like so, so it won't move and it's secure. Look at this. It looks like the Mount Everest. Everest. Like, look at this. I'm not sure if this is Bantu Knot, but which it is Bantu Knot, okay? I'm going to repeat this step throughout my entire head. It's been a while I haven't talked in my tutorial, but I feel like talking this one only because voiceover. I like to do voiceover, but sometimes it can get a lot. Like sometimes it can get like I can get frustrated with doing voiceover because I'm super duper lazy. So yeah, I will repeat the step all over my head, and while I'm doing this I will just tell you what I'm doing, like. And I hope you can see because I changed the setting on my camera, but I don't know if it's the good setting, so I'm just going to, maybe I will go back to my old setting, but I will just figure out because y'all cannot see when I show a product like this, and this really bothers me a lot. So yeah, and make sure you take that like a big section, yeah, like not too big but a big decent section, and then repeat the step. Virgin olive oil, and then my curl enriched cream with shea butter, and then twist it, roll it, and then you're good. Let's go. Is the moves for those who. No, I'm not a writer. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the next day. This is the takedown. So I'm going to take down this Bantu Knots, and I hope it looks good. Like, pray for me, guys. So without further ado, let's go. So I'm going to use my olive oil on my hair, just, you know, to bring back the moisture. So I'm just going to twist it the same way I just did it in the first place, and you know, like so. Oh, look at this, girl. So guys, oh my god, ouf, mon dos, aïe, aïe. Anyways, so guys, that is the end of the tutorial, kind of. It was a tutorial, okay? That is the end. If you have any question, comment down below, and if you want to know how you can style this, the Bantu knots method, like if you want some styling video, just let me know. And if you have a video suggestion, let me know. I will be really happy to, you know, to do that for you guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Catch me in my next video. Bye guys.